Greetings to everybody. I'm Donita Domingo of FIT Academy. I am a training specialist for our SAP Business One academic program. Just a brief background of our company, Fast Track Solutions, the first Filipino company to achieve the SAP Platinum Partner status in the Philippines, introduced FIT Academy as its full service training facility that offers a wide range of information technology courses for public and corporate sector. We also have IT certification programs, e-learning and cloud platforms, and academic partnership programs. Fit Academy is proud of its 15-year experience in courseware development, management, and training of the best IT solutions globally. To date, we have more than 200 university partners across all our courseware offerings, more than 200 corporate clients, and we have trained more than 5,000 professionals trainings. The pandemic has been the worst shock to education systems in a century, affecting more than 1.6 billion learners. The pandemic has highlighted the need to be flexible not only in working arrangements but also in the delivery of learning. The teaching and training methodology has been drastically transformed in just a span of a year. Everything changed. There was a rapid paradigm shift in education, and learning is now borderless. Fit Academy, as a training facility that delivers various facets of IT training, has also been affected. From the usual traditional face to face training, we have shifted to deliver our courseware through the cloud and conduct our trainings remotely for the sake of learning continuity. This pandemic paved way for Pet Academy as a tech enabler to introduce cloud technology to our education partners. Due to the increasing demand for trained SAP consultants ready for public implementation, Fit Academy opened its doors to offer SAP academic programs to top universities in the Philippines. Because even though there are more than SAP jobs available, the skill sets required for such jobs are lacking. We assisted universities in the Philippines through curriculum enhancements in various bachelor's degree programs. We have made it our advocacy for students, the future professionals, to start learning SAP inside their classrooms, aligned with our goal of bridging the gap between the academe and the industry. Our solution of choice to our university partners is SAP Business One on Cloud. SAP Business One on Cloud is a cloud based ERP system for small and medium sized enterprises that unifies the major business processes like financials, sales, purchasing, and production in a single system. The deployment of this courseware was made possible with the partnership of us, Fit Academy, the only authorized education partner of SAP Philippines to conduct SAP Business One academic program to universities here in our country, and of course with the help of Huawei Cloud as one of the top cloud platform providers worldwide. For more than a decade, our methodology has been the traditional deployment of SAP Business One to the academe, with the typical on premise deployment where we install the software on the school's computer laboratory. Our courseware and systems were delivered in a traditional classroom setting. This methodology has its challenges even before the pandemic. The following are the major challenges faced on the traditional deployment of SAP Business One to the academe. Number one is the high cost of local installation. Since we have university partners all over the Philippines, there is a need to deploy our technical team. The expenses to do this is quite high and affects client shouldered costs because we need cooperation from the school's technical team as well. There will be a need for hardware upgrades. SAP, as one of the best ERP systems in the world, has its required technical specifications. And from time to time, they release the new version of the system. In order to keep up with these new versions, there will be a need for hardware upgrades to meet the specifications needed to locally install the SAP Business One system. There is also a problem with internal IT dependence. Since SAP is installed within the premises of the university, the units where SAP is being used is managed by a technical team that, although equipped with the basic knowledge of SAP administration, most are not claimed to be SAP experts. We also have challenges regarding limited accessibility. Since the system is locally installed, access is limited only on the units where the system is available and when the laboratory is not being used by other students. Device limitation is also a problem because local installation of SAP Business One in the academe is only available for PC and laptop units, and it cannot be installed on mobile devices like smartphones or tablets. There is a problem with poor disaster recovery scheme because if everything is kept in the local storage of the PC units, any disruption that will happen can affect the system. For example, once the PC unit is formatted, the transactions in the database of SAP Business One is now gone and cannot be recovered. For Fit Academy, tech support is also time consuming. For example, one university with 1,000 SAP student users will have an average of 5 laboratories. In one computer laboratory, there is an average of 30 computer units. So there will be 150 computer units in just one school. Should there be a problem in the deployment, it is really time consuming to support all of the 150 PC units. And for the teacher handling the course of SAP Business One, student supervision is still used. The system is installed locally, and transactions on one PC unit is not connected to one another. So the teacher will have to check the student's work one by one. With all of these challenges mentioned, we have decided to gradually switch from the on premise deployment to cloud deployment. Why did we choose Huawei Cloud? Because of number one, cost efficiency. Huawei Cloud offers a cost effective management platform for SAP Business One that is applicable to SMEs or large enterprises with branches. Number two is the platform can be flexibly scaled and is easy to maintain. And of course, Huawei Cloud has a long-standing partnership with SAP in bringing the best solutions to business and in supporting IT education. Being on Huawei Cloud allowed us and our university partners to solve the challenges that we have faced on the traditional deployment. Fit Academy needed to evolve and adapt to these challenges and bring our courseware and solutions outside the confines of the traditional classroom. Huawei Cloud has helped us realize this transformation. This is how we maximize the benefits of SAP Business One deployment on Huawei Cloud. Number one is the low cost of installation. Everything is now on cloud and the system can be installed remotely. There will be no need to deploy our technical team and expenses related to this are now reduced. There will also be no need for hardware upgrades as long as the device is a browser and can be connected to the internet. They can use the latest version of SAP Business One, even if they do not have the newest and highest hardware specifications. There is no need to rely on the internal IT of the university because SAP Business One can now be managed by Fit Academy remotely without reliance on the university's technical team. SAP Business One also can now be accessed on demand depending on the need of the university. Students are learning SAP remotely even outside their classrooms. Also, device limitation is now gone because SAP Business One is now accessible on any devices. In the Philippines, it is a privilege for a student to own a computer or a laptop, and not everyone has that privilege. So being on cloud help us allow students to access SAP Business One even just on their smartphones. There is also ease of availability and recovery because access of SAP Business One is available everywhere and data can be backed up, recovered, and restored easily on cloud. Being on Huawei Cloud also have helped us provide remote technical support, resulting to faster and real-time issue resolution. It is also easier for the teachers handling the SAP Business One subjects to monitor and supervise the students. Here I am presenting to you the solution architecture of how we deploy SAP Business One on Huawei Cloud. First, we create Elastic Cloud servers to install SAP Business One with customized storage, processor, and RAM depending on the need of our university partner. Each Elastic Cloud server has a readily available cloud backup and recovery service. These Elastic Cloud servers are then connected to a virtual private cloud of FIT Academy. The VPC has a NAT gateway where we can create various and unique ports for our academy partners to access SAP Business One. Students of different universities will just have to use a browser and connect to the internet to access SAP Business One on cloud on the ports assigned to them. Adopting and using the cloud technology is the direction of the future. And we've been moving towards this even before the pandemic. In fact, the partnership of Fit Academy and Huawei Cloud started in 2019 with just the goal of converting 20% of our clientele to cloud in the first year of our partnership. But due to the pandemic hastening the acceptance and popularity of cloud technology, from the 20% plan, we have actually converted 75% of our university partners to deliver the SAP Business One courseware on cloud during the first year of our partnership with Huawei. And for the upcoming academic year, this 2021, we are working really hard to convert 100% of our university partners to SAP Business One on Huawei Cloud. We are convincing them that embracing cloud technology will help them adopt to the ever-changing industry needs. This is our SAP academic program, and we at Fit Academy, together with Huawei Cloud, will make your students fit for the future. That is all for me. Thank you, everyone.